Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are entering the Apple MacBook manufacturing plant. Let's see how your laptop is made.
Visitor badge and the PPE you requested. Thank you.
We need a special visitor badge and safety gear before going inside. Security is very strict here.
This air shower removes tiny dust particles. Even a small speck can damage components. All MacBooks start from these solid aluminum blocks. Crazy to think this becomes your laptop. The machines carve out the entire body from one solid piece. The famous Apple unibody design.
Iconic Apple logo is carved. This is where the brand identity goes in, right into a solid block of aluminum that becomes an Apple MacBook. Every shell gets this moment and it leaves with a perfectly milled polish.
These robots polish every edge. Apple wants zero imperfections.
The key opening is laser cut with micrometer accuracy. Perfect alignment.
This tiny board is the MacBook's brain. Components are placed automatically by these machines.
They use infrared heat to solder thousands of tiny joints in seconds. No human hands needed. That chip right there? That's Apple's powerful the real game changer.
Fans and heat pipes keep the laptop cool, especially during video editing.
Super thin retina displays. Look how carefully robots align them.
This hinge makes opening the MacBook feel smooth and premium every time. The Magic Keyboard and Force Touch trackpad are installed right here. No mechanical click, but it feels like one.
If the Apple logo doesn't show, back to rework. Everything must be perfect. There it is, first boot. Clean. Looks good. Yeah.
All speakers create that loud, clear sound you hear in movies and music. Watch what happens when I hook them.
Some batteries are handled very carefully. Safety first, always. Each click or fake click is tested for pressure accuracy. And this one passes beautifully.
Let's flip to the MacBook's own camera for a proper factory style check. They test the MacBook's camera and mics just like this, checking clarity and sound. Test 1, 2, crisp and clear, yeah?
Keyboard light escapes around the keys. The meter shows a faint halo on the F key, but it's well within spec. This one passes.
Fan speed, heat, performance. Everything is tested under real workload.
Robots pack the MacBooks into boxes, ready to ship worldwide.
That's how your MacBook is made, from aluminum block to a premium laptop, all in one factory. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tech tours.
Everyone, today I'm inside a real factory to see how Apple laptop chargers are made. Let's go! They made me wear this helmet and glasses. Safety first. This place is huge. These are the raw materials, copper for wires and plastic pellets that will become charger casings.
Whoa! This machine heats and stretches copper into super thin wires used inside the charger.
Then the wire gets coated with insulation so electricity stays inside and safe.
These blades cut the wire into the exact size needed for the charger. Fast, right?
That is insane. Look at how robots place microchips on the circuit board with perfect accuracy.
Coils help convert high voltage power safely into your laptop's battery. It's the same idea, tucked inside this Apple laptop charger. Section solders every tiny part so it's stable and connected. They test every board electronically before moving ahead. If it fails,
Out it goes.
This huge machine melts plastic pellets and shapes them into the charger body.
Now all the parts start coming together. The real charger is forming.
The board is fitted inside the casing carefully. Precision matters. Apple laptop's charger. Shells cool down here before they're strong enough to handle. Once they reach the end of the belt, they feel solid, almost like ceramic. This is what will become the outer case for Apple laptops.
These cables are reinforced and braided to handle bending again and again.
Tiny connector is what plugs into your MacBook. Look how small, but important.
Oh, that loud vibration! It seals the charger parts together using ultrasonic waves. Chargers are polished to remove any scratches or excess material.
Oh yes, the Apple logo printing. This gives the charger its signature clean look.
These are tested in hot conditions to ensure they don't overheat when you use them. Alright, here we go. This test pushes the charger with extra voltage. Just to be sure it's safe. Apple MacBook charger. Every single piece is checked by humans too. Quality control is serious here. Now it's packed nicely with the cable folded so perfectly. Satisfaction. Of Apple chargers ready to ship all around the world. MacBook charger.
And that's how a genuine Apple laptop charger is made. Like, share and subscribe for more factory tours.